What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today we got to talk about XRP because something is forming up inside of XRP right now. We're kind of inside of this FOMO cycle where we're getting some good news left and right, and a lot of people are really happy about that. So we might go through this FOMO cycle that could cause XRP to pump. So we're going to talk about this and how significant this is for XRP. So definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And also, if you want to, protect your crypto, remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. Definitely check out the Ledger and Nano wallet. Inside of the description, it's an affiliate link. Go ahead and check that out. And also, you really want to have a hardware wallet for your crypto. It's really safe. Remember what happened to Voyager. You don't want that to happen to you. But yeah, anyways, let's get straight to the video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's talk about this. So I want to talk about XRP inside of this video. So first of all, let's kind of talk about this article here from FX Street, and then we'll go over the next one. So it says XRP Ripple tests NFT support and hires new lawyers to fight the SEC, setting XRP price up for a breakout. So this is definitely pretty big for us. And then over here, XRP price prediction. It says how Colombia's XRPL could trigger the FOMO. And yes, that's the XRPL, the ledger that they're talking about with Colombia. So we're going to be going over this. This is about to be really big for XRP, but let's talk about this. And then we're also going to go over the technical analysis after all this. So Ripple tests NFT support and hires new lawyers to fight the SEC, setting XRP price up for a breakout. So it says over here, developers at Ripple X conducted tests to affirm that the XRP ledger is ready to support NFTs. So two new lawyers have joined Ripple in its legal battle with the US, with the SEC. So this is one of the biggest things here now that they have those two new lawyers. So unique addresses on the XRP network exceeded 200,000 for the first time since February 2020 as the altcoin held ground in the crypto slide. So I think XRP may be turning around for the better right now. So let's talk about this. So Ripple X developers performed tests on the XRP ledger to measure NFT throughput. So upwards of 71 million minting 20 NFTs each were tested on the ledger, and the test was concluded successfully. So Ripple's side in the legal battle against the US regulator was strengthened by the addition of the new two lawyers, not layers, to the payment giant. So that's pretty good over there. So yeah, we got two new lawyers and we got bunch of new addresses for XRP, and then on top of all this, we also have this whole big thing going on with the ledger. So we got a lot of good stuff going on for XRP. Now over here it says Ripple X developers battle test the ledger for NFTs. This is what they were talking about earlier. So the developers conducted a myriad of tests on the ledger to identify the throughput for NFT transactions. So in addition to 70.6 million accounts that exist on the ledger based on the snapshot, 1 million new accounts were created. So the Ripple ledger was tested for a total of 20 million NFTs as offers and acceptance were recorded as transactions on the network. So Ripple ledger sustained through the workload and offered a throughput rate of 751 per second. So for XRP payments and NFT transaction pair, the throughput was relatively high, 1,064 per second. So for NFT mints, it was nearly half of the transactions, 384 per second. So this is definitely really good for us. And then over here is the news about the more addresses being added to XRP network. So XRP network unique addresses exceeded over 200,000. So that's another big update here. So XRP hit the highest level of activity in terms of active addresses for the first time in over 2.5 years, offering key insight into the performance of Ripple against its altcoin competitors. So yeah, this is definitely pretty good. And then SEC versus the Ripple, if you want to look at this a little bit, they just hired the two new lawyers, so that's all good there. Over here it says there is an exciting development in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC lawsuit against Ripple. The payment giant has added two new lawyers, all that good stuff, and the two lawyers are Kellogg Hansen and Kylie Chusul Kim, something like that. I can't really pronounce their names. But anyways, this is actually pretty big for XRP. And FX Street, this is what they say about it. They say analysts believe XRP price is primed for major volatility. So yeah, analysts at FX Street note that the XRP price has created a range extending from 28 cents to 38 cents for XRP. Currently, right now, we're at 34 cents. We're at 0.3426. So we're like right in the middle of all this. So I definitely want to see it go more on the upside here. But also over here, the XRP price prediction, according to this the XRP, the ledger that they're talking about. So the Ripple price has successfully breached the key Fibonacci retracement levels. XRP price wears optimistic market sentiment as their new NFT software has been successfully implemented. And they say over here in validation of the downtrend is a breach below the 28 cents level, which was June 18th low. So if we go down below 28 cents, they're pretty much saying that's when we know that we're going to be bearish whenever we go all the way down below 28 cents. You can't even see it really here on the 15M chart. So in order to even see it, you'd have to zoom out even further or really just have to go all the way over here to the 4-hour chart. So 28 cents is definitely somewhere where we don't want to go. It's at the bottom part of the support line here. The red areas are pretty much supply and demand of more demand. Green areas supply and demand of less demand. So right now we're seeing that we're about to go down to this support over here where we are almost at 28 cents. So we're probably going to be on the lower side of this if we're going to be bearish. So if we go anywhere past this supply and demand area on the bottom side, then that pretty much shows that we're about to be bearish and we're going to have some selling going on inside of XRP. Now, something you do want to take a note here and look at, this is the 4-hour chart, so it's a little bit more long term, but you want to look at the oscillator here on the bottom. So we came off this huge oversold area. I know you all remember this, all the way from the 26th of June all the way down to now. That was a little bit oversold there. So you're actually seeing us coming back and bouncing back from that oversold area. But look at how this wave of purchasing is. It's a weird wave, but we're on a really low side of that wave of purchasing. That's because we just now hit this area here. This is the supply and demand of low demand. So there's low demand inside of this area. And the fact that we just hit it and then our wave on the oscillator here, our purchasing wave starts to wane down and look smaller and smaller, it pretty much shows that selling is about to come back inside of XRP, or probably going to be coming back down to the supply and demand area. So you definitely just want to wait for this area because it's definitely going to come very soon. So prepare for 28 cents, prepare for 30 cents. But then after that, that's when the pumping starts, when they start to really implement a lot of this stuff into XRP. That's when the pumping really starts. And once we get more news on those lawyers, and once we continue to get more people and more addresses coming into XRP, that's when you're going to start seeing things pumping. But for now, expect just a little bit of a pullback, and then we're going to be bullish because still the 24-hour market control is still in control by the bulls by 60%. So we're still doing pretty good right there on XRP. And anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely go ahead and click the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And also remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. So definitely check out the Ledger Nano X, Ledger Nano S, either one. I have the X. Check out that link in the description there. It's an affiliate link. And also, if you guys want to help support the channel a little bit more, remember this video is sponsored by marcellus.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.